Well, yeah, well, you're the guys that jumped me. Yeah, turkey here. Where you going? Yeah. You tell them what you just did? Yeah, it was what you did, you goober. What'd it cost us? Huh? That came with a price. Getting jumped up like that. Yep. It's over there in the snow. Yeah. It's you guys' dinner. You knocked it right out of my hands. Yep. It's supposed to go over there once I cook the snow out of it. No. Well, no, it's not my problem. Actually, it is. Being the farmer. Tip it over, George. That's where it's at. Hey, you. Well, what'd you think, Carl? Parker's a butthead? Is Parker a butthead? Yeah, let's go over there and tip the bucket over. At least you guys can paw through the snow and get to it what you like. Come on, let's go see your handiwork. Here, I'm gonna kick it over away from the gate. Yep. Away from the gate. Oh, there you go. Parker, Parker, Parker. Suppose I can go get more, huh? Let me get the water bucket over here. Hey, George. Let's see. I gotta fill in the hay too. All right. Where's my bucket? There's my bucket. Fresh water. Yeah. Preserved. We'll call it that. Preserved water. Good thing I chained the gate. I'll keep him busy for a little while. I'll have to go back to the feed shed and get another bucket. Winter. Oh. Did I mention I hate winter? Yeah. I hate winter. Well, they've been out and about compared to the girls, though. Girls are like, we're pregnant, we're fat, we're cold. I'm surprised they came out to see me. These guys are people goats. They like peoples. They're quiet for now. Okay, well, that's just a quick update. Turned into a couple of videos because my cold fingers hit the stop button and not the pause button. Oh, hey, it's pan to the left. Welcoming wagon. She has come out of her shell, I tell you. She's got some pretty good lineage behind her. That's the black one that just came up. Maleficent. And she was a gangly looking thing, but she's filled out pretty nice now. And she's such a docile and timid thing. But she's getting friendly and social. We'll keep her around. Good thing I changed the gate. Alright, my hand is kind of getting numb. Get you guys later. Probably after this garbage disappears. Won't be here for more than a week. You know, a week ago, today, I saw little shards of grass starting to grow. Yeah, you wouldn't know it now. Can't last forever. It'll be sunshine, green grass, and frolicking little babies running around everywhere. Catch you later, guys.